Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create presentation on Canva AI. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can directly open the Canva application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is go to the official website of Canva. For that, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in canva.com. Since you want to use the AI, simply type in /AI, press enter. Now you can see over here Canva AI will be opened. From here you'll be able to design anything using the prompt. All you have to do is simply click on this field. Now if you want to create the presentation, simply enter create a presentation on the topic. Now enter the topic over here. You can enter other details as well. You can be as specific as possible. Now after you enter the prompt, click on the arrow icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now wait for a while until Canva designs it for you. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply pick out the design that you like the best and click on it. Now you'll also be able to preview the presentation over here. You can also edit this using the Canva editor. Simply click on the option use Canva editor. Now you can see over here Canva editor will be opened. You can edit this presentation according to your choice. After you're done, you can also download it. In order to download it, what you have to do is click on the share option that you can see right over here. Now simply click on the option download. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for file type. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for PPTX and click on it. Now after doing that, you can click on the option download. After that, that particular presentation will be downloaded. So like this, you'll be able to create the presentation using Canva AI. So that is how you create presentation on Canva AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.